Good morning students. Today we will discuss how to find square root of a number. The square root of a number is the number when multiplied by itself gives the original number. Square root of a number, किसी नंबर का स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ ए नंबर क्या होता है? जब उस नंबर को उसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई किया जाता है तो हमें क्या मिल जाता है? ओरिजिनल नंबर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 49 इज 7. Means when we multiply 7 into 7 we always get 49. So the square root of 49 is 7. Similarly the square root of 144 is 12. Means when we multiply 12 into 12 we will always get 144. So square root of 144 is 12. Now we will discuss finding the square root through repeated subtraction. We will discuss how to find square root of a number by repeated subtraction. We already learned that the square number can be expressed as the sum of consecutive odd numbers. हमें पता है अगर हमने किसी स्क्वायर नंबर को लिखना है तो we can write as a sum of consecutive odd number that is starting from 1. Means 4 is a square number, so I can write 4 1 plus 3. 9 is a square number, I can write 1 plus 3 plus 5. So, to find the square root of a number through repeated subtraction, we will go subtracting successive odd numbers from the number till 0 is obtained. Then the number will consider as a perfect square and the square root of given number will be number of steps taken to reach 0. मीन्स जितने स्टेप्स हमें 0 पे पहुंचने पे लगेंगे उस नंबर के, तो दैट इज द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ दैट नंबर. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस वन एग्जांपल. वी विल फाइंड द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 49 बाय रिपीटेड सब्ट्रैक्शन. इन फर्स्ट स्टेप we will subtract 1 from 49, we will get 8. In the second step, subtract 3 from 48, that is 45. Then subtract 5 from 45, then we will get 40. Then subtract 7 from 40, we will get 33. After 7, which is odd number is coming? 9. Then subtract 9 from 33, we will get 24. Then subtract 11 from 20 from, we will get 13. Then subtract 13 from 13, we will get 0. And how many steps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We will get 0 after 7th step. So the square root of 49 is 7. Now second method to find square root is prime factorization method. Now we will discuss prime factorization method. In prime factorization method 4 steps are there. First step is find the prime factorization of the given number. जो हमें नंबर गिवन है उसके हमने प्राइम फैक्टर्स फाइंड करने हैं. देन ग्रुप दी सेम प्राइम फैक्टर्स इन पेयर. फिर हम जो सेम प्राइम फैक्टर्स है उनके ग्रुप बनाएंगे इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पेयर्स. थर्ड स्टेप चूज वन प्राइम फैक्टर फ्रॉम ईच पेयर. एक पेयर में से एक फैक्टर हम ले लेंगे. एंड फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ चूजन पेयर. जो हमने प्राइम नंबर चूज किए हैं उनको हम क्या कर देंगे? प्रोडक्ट कर देंगे. We will understand this with the help of example. Find the square root of 64 through prime factorization. First step is find the prime factorization. So first of all we will find the prime factorization of 64. Prime factorization of 64 is 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2. Second step, group the same prime factors in pair. Now same prime factors के ग्रुप बनाएंगे in pairs, like first pair, second pair, third pair. Okay. Then third, choose one prime factor from each pair. Choose one prime factor. So put the square root symbol first of all on the number. Then choose one prime factor from the pair. From this pair 1 2, from this pair 1 2, from this pair 1 2. Then last step is multiply these chosen prime numbers. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. So the prime factor of So the square root of 64 is 8. Thank you. I hope you understood.